Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago, while companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the power line. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the power line above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the power line. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And If you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Alright, see you all at the top. Ayan, so ngayon kahit papaano meron na kayong idea kung ano ba talaga yung meron sa company right now, pero mas ipapaliwanag natin ito syempre ngayon din sa ating presentation. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay. So, who is Live Good? Ayan, Live Good officially launched globally on December 13, 2022. So, baby pa po yung company natin. Okay? Live Good is a US-based direct sales company focused in these two things, the wellness and digital service industry. No? Kasi, ano natin, no, lalo nang nag-pandemic, na-aware tayo na mas kailangan nating, syempre, alagaan yung health natin. Di ba? Ika nga, health is wealth. Di ba? And of course, halos lahat din online na. And kahit ngayon, no, yung pag-order natin ng products or mga gusto nating i-order, 'di ba? Dati din, syempre pag-aaral online, 'di ba? Pagko-konsulta online na rin. So, ngayon minaximize po ito ng company natin. All right? So, itong dalawang category na 'to. Okay? And yung ating fulfillment center naman po ay nasa Jupiter, Florida. Okay? So, Live Good is a club membership that pays. Okay? So, ngayon, doon na kayong konting idea. Okay? Club membership po ito na nabibigay ng income. Ayan. So, unlike other companies, no, na mga club membership, kumbaga, puro ka lang palabas. Di ba? Walang papasok na pera. Okay? So, the best part dito sa company na to, you can earn money as a club member. Whether or not you refer other members to the program. Okay, amazing, di ba? Oh, so don't worry. So kung ano yung club membership na yan, so ipapaliwanag din natin yan later on. Okay, so Live Good, unlike most home business opportunity, Live Good is not about overpriced products. Okay, while maraming mga companies and even yung mga bilihin natin right now, nagtataasan ng mga presyo, but dito po, it is all about saving people money on health products. Okay, so ngayon, if you have a passion for health and wellness, then this is for you. If you have a passion for helping people, then this is for you. If you are not looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, then definitely this is also for you. Okay, so kung feel mo na ikaw to, then tune in ka para mas matutunan mo yung opportunity na ito. Okay, so right now, I will give you some reasons why you should join this company. Okay, so actually, there are tons of reasons why I Live Good, okay? But I will give you 10, okay? Pero 6 lang muna. Yung 4 nasa last part. Okay? So, pabitin muna, no? So, number 1, we have these amazing products. Okay? So, bakit amazing? Kasi, okay, physician grade and at the same time, pinag-aralan ng masusi ang each of the product natin dito. Okay? So, even ang selection ng ingredients, syempre, kailangan talaga pinag-isipan. Hindi po ito yung mga binibili lang sa mga tiyangge, ilagay sa lalagyan tapos binenta na, hindi po. Okay? So, masusi na pinag-aralan. Right? In fact, 100% pure ingredients ang meron talaga tayo dito. And not just that, di ba, pag sinabi nating US-based company and amazing products, di ba, tumatatak agad sa atin, ay, ano yan, mahal yan. Di ba? Pero later on, ako po, grabe, magugulat kayo sa presyohan natin dito. And I'll tell you ngayon pa lang, wala po sa vocabulary ni Live Good ang word na mahal. Okay, wala po yan. Alright, and number 3, no auto shipping. Okay, dito wala na po yung pipersahin tayo na bumili ng products para lang mag-qualify, 'di ba? Kailangan ng PV para makuha yung commission and para ma-maintain mo yung rank mo. Wala na po yan dito. Tinanggal na po yan kasi Actually, yan po yung isa sa mga nagpapahirap din, lalo sa mga bago. Di ba? Yung mga overpriced na auto-ship, overpriced products, tas i-auto-ship, di ba? Ifo-force ka. Okay? So dito, number 4, no monthly products to buy. So hindi ka din again dito, papersahin na bumili and even magbenta. So depende lang po yan sa inyo. Kasi more na buyers club po ito. This is a club membership. Hindi na po ito yung traditional na MLM na nakasanay natin. Okay? Ayan. And number 5, 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. Okay, so nire-refer po ito yung products ha. Okay, so don't get me wrong, baka may masabi na ano, pag di kumita 90 days, di ba, yung money back, hindi po. Nire-refer po nito is yung about sa products. Okay, na pagka example, na-take mo yung products, tas naubos mo yung laman, di ba? Tas na-realize mo, ay, di ko pala gusto, di ba? Inubos mo pa. Di ba? So, kidding aside, so kumbaga, kunwari na inubos mo, tas hindi mo nagustuhan, tapos, yun, pwede mong ibalik yung lalagyan ng products and within 90 days, no questions asked, ibabalik sa inyo yung pera ninyo. Okay? So ganun tayo ka-confident with our products. And number 6, number 1 business to join. Okay? So number 1 business to join, guys. Bakit? Kasi talaga, kakaiba po talaga, lalo na yung business model nito, talagang tumaliwas kasi siya sa sa traditional eh. Okay, pero to give you idea, okay, meron tayong isang credible na source if you know yung tinatawag na business for home. Okay? So nandyan po nakalagay yung lahat ng records ng direct selling companies worldwide. Right? So andyan po yung sales, yung about sa payout and track record ng story ng ng mga companies. Okay? So ngayon nagkaroon po ng poll or voting. Okay? So, ang pinagbotohan naman po is yung top direct selling compensation plan. Okay? Ngayong taon lang. This year lang. Okay? So, alam nyo ba na there are about 750 plus na mga companies na na-nominate. Ibig sabihin na nakaparticipate dyan. Alright? Itong matindi si Live Good, ito na nag-start to, I think it was on March. Okay? Ito matindi. Bakit? Si Live Good kabago-bago lang. Okay? I think mga 4 months pa lang. 4 months mahigit. Ganun. Yung company. Since nag-launch globally. Pero grabe po. Umabot po si Live Good ng top 5. Yes po, top 5. Try to imagine na lang. Yung mga competitor ng company na to is ang tatagal na. 5, 10, 15, 20, and even 30 to 50 years na po in the industry. So well-established. Ang iba pa nga, publicly traded na. Okay, pero ang matindi nito, okay, syempre, tao yung nagboto niyan. Okay, so, kumbaga sa election pa, di ba, tayo naglukluk dyan. Di ba? So, grabe po, nag-top 5 po ang company na to. So, ibig sabihin, may kakaiba po sa compensation plan ng company. Kung bakit nag-top 5. Di ba? Hindi man nag-top 1 to 4, pero iba kakaiba yan, top 5, kasi 750 plus companies, di ba? So, ngayon, nagkaroon ulit ng voting. But right now, ano nang pinagbotohan? Most trusted direct selling company of 2023. Di ba kanina top 5? Ngayon, top 2 na po ang company na to. Grabe. Okay, so talagang yung trust ng mga tao, ng masa, andyan po talaga. Okay, and sunod, if magkaroon ulit ng voting, ay ewan ko na lang. Wala. Okay, tatap po na yung company na ito. Okay, so kung bakit gano'n na lang siya pinagkakatiwalaan kasi kakaiba nga po siya. Okay, we are not hurting people here. Diba? We are not forcing anyone. Kumbaga dito, you have the freedom. Right? As long as, syempre, affiliate member ka. Okay, so no need, sabi pa nga dito, no need to believe what I say. Let's see what the people say. Live Good is one of the most trusted company of 2023. Okay, so yan, kayo naman po mag-research. Pwede yung search business for home, nandun po yun. Alright, so yan. And ngayon, ano naman yung mission natin? Simple lang, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Kasi lalo na sa panahon ngayon, ang mga bilihin, nagtataasan na. So yung goal lang naman natin, simple lang. Simple but yet powerful. Makatulong tayo sa maraming tao na maging healthy, na hindi mabubutas yung bulsa mo at hindi masasaktan ang wallet mo. Okay? So, amazing, di ba? So, ngayon, meet our Live Good team. Okay? So, alam nyo po, wala akong masabi sa natin. company owners, hands down. Okay? Talagang, masabi ko talagang, wala masabi, sabi masabi. Okay, so, what I mean is that, genius. Okay, kung isa-sum up ko, masabi ko talagang genius. Kasi ang ating, ang ating owner, yung ating CEO si Ben, which is yun yung nagsalita kanina, so, meron na po siyang 20 years na experience owning and running some of the most successful, okay? Ayan, successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry. Okay, so actually sobrang dami niya na po natulungan. In fact, kagaya ng sinabi niya sa video kanina, kung babalikan natin, over close to $1 billion na po yung commission na payout niya. Okay, so ibig sabihin, sobrang dami niya talagang natulungan. Di ba? Imagine mo yung almost $1 billion na commission. Di ba? So, actually, yung taong to is, na sana, magre-retire na. Okay? Kasi, hindi niya nagustuhan yung numbers na, yung goal niya talaga kahit yung mga bago, yung mga, simpleng mga tao is that kumita on extra. Diba? Nangyayari kasi, dahil nga sa old model, which is I'll be discussing later on, 95% make little or no money. Okay? So, ngayon, nag-usap sila together with Nodder Kazan, ang ating Director of Network Marketing. So, si Nodder yung nag-push kay Ben, di ba? Kasi may naisip silang konsepto, which is, ito na po yung in-implement dito sa company ito, which is the club membership. Alright? Ayan, na, tanggalin na yung mga mahirap. Okay? Yan, sinabi ko na kanina, yung mga auto-ship, yan, yung may mga flash out, yan, experience namin yan. Okay, so, ngayon, yun, kumbaga, na-convince naman, alright, ng ating CEO. So, right now, he is back, okay? Ayan, kasi nakita na nila lahat Diba? The good, the bad, and the ugly. So, ngayon, syempre, ang ginawa nila, nilagay nila dito yung mga good, mas pinaganda pa, and at the same time, yung mga bad at ugly, tinanggal na po. Okay? So, grabe po talaga, hands down. Okay, wala akong talaga as in, ang tindi, okay, ng ating owners. Sabi kong genius. Samahan pa, syempre, ng ating mga product formulator na matitindi rin. Okay, si Doc Ryan Goodkin, yung ating Director of Product Development, and kasaming asawa niya, si Lisa Goodkin, Director of Product Education. Ako po, masasabi kong well-studied and at the same time, high quality talaga ang ating mga products because of these people. Di ba? So, akalain mo ba naman, background ng ating main product formulator, si Doc Ryan, may doctorate in pharmacy. Okay? And at the same time, may degree in science nutrition, may background din of being both natural health practitioners as well as pharmacist. So, alam niya talaga, alam niya yung mga maganda at yung mga hindi. Okay? Lalo na syempre, sa mga supplements. Diba? So, masabi ko po talagang pinag-aralan actually. Alright? Yung mga products natin. And of course, si Lisa naman, yun yung nagtutulong din para educate tayo. And in fact, silang dalawa po once a week, nagkakaroon po tayo dito ng product education, including syempre, mga health advices. Alright? Para mas matulungan tayo na magpaka-healthy. Alright? So, of course, kasama din natin dito ang ating Director of Network Marketing, si Nodder Kazan. So, alam nyo po, legend na po ito sa industry. Sobrang tagal na rin po ng taong to and sobrang dami niya na pong natulungan. Okay? So, together with these people, ganun na lang po katindi nangyari sa company kasi nga, syempre dahil sa mga amazing na mga tao. Alright? So, ngayon, we have over 17 life-changing products and meron pa po tayong naka-line up. Actually, marami po. This month, may mga palabas pa po. Ayan. To give you idea, meron tayong tinatawag na neurotropics. Ayan. And even yung, yung oil. Ayan, na ang tawag doon. Okay, basta oil siya na, tawag nito, na inaamoy, okay, na nakatulong din pag-reduce ng anxiety. Ayan, alright. So, kumbaga, continuous po yung pagdagdag ng mga products natin dito. Alright? And, syempre, highest quality products, the purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine locations on the planet and world-class manufacturing facility. So, make sure talaga ng company, syempre, na of high quality and syempre, world-class ang ating pagkagawa ng ating mga products. Okay? And of course, made in the USA, 'di ba? So pag sinabi nating made in the USA, of course, high quality talaga 'yan, 'di ba? Kung stricto tayo, mas lalo na sa US. Diba? So approved by the GMP. So pag sinabi natin GMP, nako hindi po yan basta-basta. Okay? And of course, lab tested for purity and potency. Okay? So ngayon, ito po ang ating mga new lineup of products. We have the CBD pain relief. Ayan, good for ayan. Ayan. Ito pong CBD natin, pain relief are known or topical pain relief. Ayan. Okay, so pain relief po siya, and ito naman po ating collagen peptides. Ayan. So maganda po ito for joints, for nails natin, for hair, and at the same time sa gut natin. Ayan. So marami pong benefits niyan. And syempre, kasama na din dyan ay yung pampabata. Alright, so we also have the energy and focus patches and sleep patches. Alright, so ang maganda nito, syempre, kasi lang yan, kumbaga, nilalagay lang sa skin natin and may mga benefits din po yan. Alright, so ngayon, ang maganda nito kasi ang ating mga products ay may certificate of analysis. Alam nyo, bihira lang po itong tinatawag na certificate of analysis po natin, no? Kasi may mga companies na talaga to, kumbaga confidential lang. Hindi talaga nila pinapakita. Pero sa atin, kung gaano tayo ka-confident na high quality products natin, open po ito in public. Okay? And I'll tell you, okay, each product of Live Good is tested and approved under a recognized laboratory. Okay? So ito po yung sample ng ating ng ating CBD oil. Ayan. So, tested po yan if you know mga chemist or mga pharmacists, doctors, so alam po yan nila basahin. Okay? So, grabe po kasi, ganun tayo ka-confident. Nandyan po kasi yung pag-teste. And to tell you, hindi po yan gawa-gawa ni Live Good. Third party po yan. Third party lab tested. Okay? So, ganun po tayo ka-confident with our products. Okay? And not just that, okay, our products are also, okay, kaya sinabi ko, GMP certified. Okay? So, pag sinabi natin GMP certified or GMP approved, hindi lang po isang area yung tinitingnan yan. Mayroon po yan, may location, machinery, yung processing, sanitary, maintenance, and personnel. Kumbaga, lahat po. Okay, from pag first attempt, okay, first na procedure sa paggawa until the finished product, tinitingnan po yan ng GMP. So, mahirap po yan magpa-approve. Okay, pero yun nga, okay, syempre dahil nga gusto natin na mas talaga tayo, masigurado natin na of high quality. Ayan. So, na-approve po tayo, okay? So, the best, di ba? So, not just that, ang mga products natin, ayan, ito ay caffeine-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, soy-free, of course, third-party lab-tested. So, yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, 100% vegan, GMP certified, keto-friendly, non-GMO, nut-free, USDA, organic. So, ano pong ibig sabihin yan? Okay, simple lang. Of high quality ang ating products, and at the same time, wala pong chemical, insecticide, pesticide na nalalagay po sa products natin. Okay? Wala pong mga dye, ayan, yung mga pwedeng makasira tuloy sa natin, mga preservatives, ayan, na pwedeng makasira sa natin, sa katawan natin. So, organic po ang ating mga products. Alright? And we also have different category of products. Meron tayong, of course, wellness for all. And may ibang categories like men's health, nutrition, and women's health kasi iba-iba naman yung physiological needs ng men's and women's. Meron din po tayong skincare, body cleansing, anti-aging, immunity, weight management, and energy. Kumbaga, lahat ng pangangailangan natin specifically for kung ano yung need ng health natin, so andito na po yan, okay, sa Live Good. So, o-order ka na lang, diba? Kung anong gusto mo at kung kailan mo gusto. And sasabihin ko na po sa inyo ngayon, okay, according sa ating CEO, we will be having over 200 plus products, and soon din, magkakaroon din po tayo ng services. Alright? Yung mayroon din mga machine, mga cleaning products, and mga vouchers sa mga hotel, mga ganun. So, kasi club membership po ito. Okay, so anything pwede pong i-add dito ng company. Ganun po katindi. Alright? So, ngayon, how do I order products? Simple lang, you can order as consumer or member. Pag consumer ka, you pay retail low prices. But I suggest mag-member. Kasi bakit? You pay much lower prices. Okay? Ganun po yun. Okay? And alam nyo po ito, sobrang na-appreciate ko po, no? Live Good is available in 200 plus countries. Literal. Di ba? May nagsasabi ibang company na available daw sila in, globally, di ba? Pero tanungin mo kung makakapag-payout ba sa currency nila, 'di ba? Sa ibang bansa. Makakatanggap ba lahat, 'di ba, ng country sa ibang bansa kasi may previous company din kami and alam niyo po meron kaming intangible products din and to tell you hirap po talaga kami mag-ship ng product. Kasi may leader kami na gustong mag-try na sa Middle East. So meron siyang market na ibang lahi and hirap kami pa pinapag-asikaso ng legalities, 'di ba? Pero dito sa Live Good, okay, in 200 plus countries magagawa mo yung business natin, makakatanggap ka ng products and at the same time makaka-payout ka in your currency. 'Di ba? So ganun katindi and sobrang appreciated ko to kasi kumbaga hindi mo na iisipin yung mga yung mga logistics, yung pag-ship ng products kasi tayo e-commerce plus dropshipping ready na. Okay, so in 200 plus countries, ayan, magagawa talaga natin yung business. So, grabe, talagang global. So, ang laki talaga ng market, no? Ang laki ng market, kaya ang tindi, wala akong masabi. Okay? So, yan po. Amazing talaga. So, Live Good member save up to 75%. Yes, you heard it right, 75% compared to products in other network marketing companies. So ngayon, meron lang tayong i-unveil or i-uncover na kung ano ba talaga yung nangyayari sa most of the companies in the industry. So this is not to badmouth other companies. We love the industry, but since we love natin yung industry, sasabihin ko sa inyo yung katotohanan. Okay? So para aware tayo. Ayan. And of course, para ma-educate din tayo. Okay, ganito kasi yan. Okay, so, yung story ni David and Goliath. Diba? Si David, pinatumba niya si Goliath, just one stone. And itong si Goliath, siya po yung nag-represent as the price gouging MLMs. Siya po yung in short, yung mga companies na nagpapatong ng pagkalaki-laki sa mga products ng 8 to 10 times. Actually, mas malaki pa dyan. Pero yan yung standard, up to 14 times. And tayo po si David, ayan, si Live Good. Okay? So, ganito kasi yan. Okay? Yung mga price gouging MLMs, o yun po yung mga nagpapatong ng pagkalaki-laki sa mga products, alright? Ay, actually, kailangan nila yung gawin. Again, this is to badmouth, pero para educate tayo. Okay? So, anong nangyari kasi, syempre, kailangan nila gawin yun kasi doon kukunin yung pang-sweldo ng mga empleyado, okay, of course, kita or commission ng mga tinatawag nating top earners, mga uplines, ayan, syempre, kita ng country manager, right? And of course, kita ng company owner, bayad ng artista, mga bayad sa billboard, ayan, and lahat po, mga events, dyan din po kinukuha yan sa products. Alright? But, I'm going to tell you, according sa ating CEO, hindi naman ako ng CEO, according sa kanya, alright, kay Ben, na kung bakit one of the reasons din kung bakit magre-retire na siya sana siya sa industry is that nakita niya 95% make little or no money. Marami pong nawawalan ng pera. All right? Kasi ang industry na to naka-design para kumita yung mga mga bago or even yung mga single mom, 'di ba? Kumita ng extra. Ganoon naman talaga naka-design. But since na price gouge siya, tapos may tinatawag tayong auto ship, most of the companies nire-require or force yung mga distributor na bumili ng products para mag-qualify, 'di ba? Para makuha yung commission nila. Doon na papasok yung pahirap. 1% to 3% lang yung kumikita talaga. Actually, 0.1% nga lang yung mga talagang yung mayaman talaga eh. Okay? So ngayon, binago po yan ni Live Good. Okay, binago na po yan. So, kagaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo, iba po ito. This is club membership na po, which is, sabihin ko na sa inyo, konti lang, katiting na lang po yung kinikita ng company sa products. Para din, of course, ma-fulfill natin, literal na, matulungan natin. Di ba yung mission natin? Ano mission natin? Help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Diba? Magagawa natin yung pag hindi tayo magpapatong ng pagkalaki-laki sa products. Kaya sabihin ng iba ay high quality kasi mahal kasi high quality. Diba? So actually hindi po 'yan, okay? Mali po 'yan. So mahal po siya kasi doon po kinukuha yung commission. Kasi ang products natin dito high quality. Pero bakit ganun? Very affordable yung prices kasi club membership na po ito. Okay? And I'll tell you, we are here to disrupt the industry. Okay? Kaya, nangyari po, ayan, tayo si David, si Live Good. Unti-unti po natin yung, syempre papatumbahin or papahinain yung mga price gouging ng mga MLMs. Kasi old way na po yan eh. Nagwo-work lang yan sa mga ano talaga, sa mga nasa top. Pero yung mga bago, may hirapan po talaga. Alright? Kaya nga sabi nga dito ni Noder, ang ating Director of Network Marketing, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. Guys, tapos na po yan. Okay? So, there will come a time, magiging obsolete na po yan, yung pagpapatong. Kasi right now, ang mamahal nang bilihin eh. Di ba? So, syempre, sasabayan pa ng mahal na products, ay, di ba? So, right now kasi, nag-shift na yung buying habits ng tao. People are looking for ways na makasave at the same time magkaroon sila ng value for money. 'Di ba? Okay, so ganun po 'yun. All right? So hindi po ibig sabihin again na dahil mahal yung products kasi high quality, 'di ba? I-hype pa tayo, 'di ba? Kasi ganito 'yan, 'di ba? Pinalaki sa kinuha pa to sa, 'di ba? kung saan yung mga ingredients, 'di ba? Pero in short, lang pala doon pala kinuha yung commission, kaya mahal. Okay? So, di na po yung ginawa ni Live Good. Okay? So, ngayon, ito po, gaano ka-amazing yung pricing ng ating product. So, ito po, ito yung sample. Ayan, ito ang ating CBD oil. Other companies, they sell their products $80, ayan, $90. Sa atin magkano? 50% much stronger. Okay? And mas malaki yung laman. $18, guys. Alright? Ayan. So, yan po, no? Grabe, pricing pa lang. Wala na, talo na. Okay, tapos na yung boxing. Ito naman yung natin, super greens. Ayan, sa iba, same mga pare-pareho yung ingredients, okay, but I believe na much high quality yung sa atin, okay, kasi organic. Yan, $100, $70 sa atin, guys, magkano? $18 lang. Alright, and ito naman yung collagen. Di ba? Ang iba, binebenta nila $80, $70 sa atin, 27.95. Grabe, no? Ito yung sleep patches. Iba naman, $40, $70 sa atin, 14.95. Kaya, price pa lang, okay, tapos na yung boxing. Kaya nga, guys, marami actually sa US and even actually sa Pilipinas talaga. Lipat talaga. Alright? Lumilipat talaga because of, ito pa lang, no? Okay? Yung price pa lang ng products natin. Di ba? So, ganun po yun. Grabe, no? So, yan, ito naman po ang ating mga multivitamins. Okay? So, yan, retail price natin 17.95. And yung members price natin, mga around 500 plus pesos lang. 60 capsules and of course, organic. Okay? Complete. Okay? Multivitamins. Diba? Tapos ano pa? Itong ating coffee. Ayan, members price 17.95 and 28.95. Ayan, so hindi ka magpapalpitate niyan and of course, tutulungan ka rin na manage yung weight mo. Okay? Ayan, so ito naman, retail price $34 and members price $22. Ayan, ito yung ating complete plant-based protein, yung mga nagbe-build ng muscles, mga nagji-gym. Ayan, okay? So, all natural and wala pong halong mga chemical. Alright? So, ngayon, okay, ito po yung sasabihin ko po sa inyo, okay, to give idea, di ba, lahat naman may evolution di ba? Okay? So, yung businesses din actually may evolution. Okay? 'Di ba dati access tayo ng information, 'di ba, through newspaper, eventually naging radio, naging TV. And right now we have gadgets like laptop and smartphones. We're in one tap away, 'di ba? Tatype mo lang tapos nandun na, 'di ba? Google mo lang. Andiyan na kaagad yung sagot, 'di ba? Oh. So, same din with pagbibili natin, 'di ba? Dati barter, eventually naging market. Pero kulang pa rin, di ba? So, nag-supermarket, di ba? Halos lahat andun na. But right now, kahit nasa bahay ka, yan, matatanggap mo yung, o gusto mong i-order the products, ayan, through mga e-commerce na mga site. Ayan, like Amazon, Alibaba, eBay, sa atin naman Shopee, Lazada, and many more, no? And same with the business model. Okay, business model sa direct selling. Yung dati, old multi-level system. Pag may team ka, nakabenta din sila, may kita ka. Okay? Barya-barya, ganun, di ba? Tapos eventually nagkaroon ng binary with multiple heads. Yan, okay? O sinong dyan, familiar, o sino mga na-involved din, okay? Binary, may left and right, okay? May left, may right ka, papares, may kita ka. Tapos multiple heads, okay? So ibig sabihin, the more accounts daw, the more na malaki na yung kita mo. Okay? o tambak yung products. 'Di ba? Tapos, nagkaroon ulit, nag-evolve, hybrid binary with multi-level system, lahat na kinumbine na. Okay, 'di ba? May left and right, may pairing, may multiple accounts, meron naman single account, merong unilevel, 'di ba? Merong stair step or kung ano pa man 'yan. Okay, pero same story lang din 'yan, price gouging. Ibig sabihin, yung commission doon pa rin kinukuha yung products, which is again, doon nagsisimula yung pahirap sa mga small guy. Okay, yung mga talagang nagsisimula. Alright? So, ngayon, binago na po yan. Alright? Nag-evolve na. Okay, affiliate marketing with subscription that pays. Okay, so ito na po yung bagong evolution. Okay, and I'll tell you, we will force everybody to evolve. Okay, walang magagawa, di ba? Kasi pag hindi sila mag-adapt, lalo na sa panahon ngayon, nagmamahal ng mga bilihin. Okay? Oh, so, wala tayong magagawa. Sabi pa ni Asher, if you don't evolve, you dissolve, you evolve, or you evaporate. Di ba yung kay Charles Darwin, 'di ba yung niya, yung theory niya sa evolution. So I'm not fan of that, pero 'di ba, para educate lang, 'di ba? According sa kanya, I don't know if totoo talaga, 'di ba yung mga species, 'di ba? Oh, yung mga species na according sa kanya, yung mga species na nakaka-survive is yun yung mga nakakapag-adapt sa kanyang surroundings, tama? Oh. So same with the businesses. Tingnan yung pandemic, di ba sobrang daming nagsara na mga companies, and even yung mga companies na malalaki halos din magsara, di ba, yung mga established na, because yung iba hindi nakapag-adapt, di ba, o lahat halos kasi online na So ngayon, pag hindi mag-adapt yung ibang companies, pag same pa rin yung concept nila, which is the price gouging, wala din magagawa. Okay, it's either they evolve or they dissolve. Okay, so parang ang naman pakinggan, no, pero that's the reality 'Di ba? Look at, 'di ba, yung Kodak. Oh, Nokia. 'Di ba? Oh, ilang years lang, 5 years lang. 'Di ba? Oh, dumating si iPhone, dumating si Samsung. 'Di ba? Mga touchscreen. Anong nangyari? Dissolve. 'Di ba? Same with the businesses. Okay? So, I'm just, sinasabi ko na to sa inyo para lalo sa mga members dito na huwag tayong matakot, okay? So, kasi, kumbaga, this is real, this is really happening. Okay? So, ngayon, ganun po yun, okay? Kasi again, yung natin dito, yung business model is affiliate marketing with subscription. Alright? Yan, subscription po. So, ano ba yung subscription na sinasabi mo? Simplihan lang natin. It is a recurring revenue model in which customer pay, kailan babayad? Weekly, monthly, or yearly. Anong kapalit? Products or services. And customers can renew their subscription after a certain period of time. Sample nito. Anong sample? Yung SIM card mo. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng SIM card? SIM. Subscribers Identity Module. Okay? So, meron tayong unique number dyan. Okay? And sa atin lang po yan. Di ba? Pag napapaload tayo, di ba? Dumarating. Nag-register tayo ng combo. Alright? And ngayon, kapag nakapag-register, syempre nagagamit natin. Di ba? Pwede tayong makatawag, makatext, magkaroon ng data connection. Ayan. And pag nag-expire, nagpapaload tayo. Tama. Ang tawag sa atin, subscriber. Ayan, di ba? And actually, even yung even yung pagbabayad natin sa internet. Okay? So, kami nagbabayad din kami, of course, di ba? Tapos, syempre, sa mga cable, di ba? Para makanood ka ng maraming channel sa TV, di ba? Nagbabayad ka monthly. And pag ayaw mo na, syempre, di ka nagbabayad. Tama. Pinapakat mo. Okay? And even kuryente tubig, actually, nagiging subscription na rin. Okay? Kasi syempre, na-enjoy mo yung benefits na ino-offer. Kumbaga, pinakasimpleng paliwanag is that yung tao nagbabayad monthly, yearly, okay? Or meron weekly, and na-enjoy ng tao yung benefits na yung ino-offer ng company na yon. Ganun lang. Okay? So this model allows you to leverage your customer relationships to create a steady stream of income. So bakit importante to? Of course, na-enjoy ng na-enjoy natin yung benefits ng subscription. Di ba? Yung kaya sinabi ko sa inyo, di ba? Pag nagpapaload tayo, kakaroon tayo ng data, nakaka-text tayo, nakakatawag. Alright? Yung cable natin, internet, kuryente, tubig, di ba? Ayaw natin mawalan ng kuryente, tubig, kaya nagbabayad tayo, di ba? And at the same time, it increased customer loyalty and strong customer base. Yung tao nag-i-stay kasi na-enjoy nila yung benefits na ino-offer ng company na yon. Okay, so ano yung advantage ito? Lower the barrier to entry for products and services and allow more potential customers to purchase your products. Kasi nga, hindi na masyadong pinagkakitaan yung products or services. Saan bumabawi? Sa subscription. Kaya yung tao nag-i-stay. Kasi nakikita nila yung value. Alright? Oh. So, ganun din dito sa company ito, we are adding more value pag mas maraming products na dinadagdag natin dito. Kaya yung tao din nag-stay. Highest quality products, very affordable, and at the same time, okay, kaya yung sabi ko sa inyo, subscription or club membership that pays. Binabayaran. Di ba? Okay, so amazing talaga sin, grabe. So ngayon, ito naman po yung mga popular na mga memberships. Ayan, kaway-kaway sa mga naka-Amazon Prime. Yeah, imagine mo 161 million members. Di ba yung tao, puro palabas lang yan. Of course, na-enjoy nila benefits, pero palabas lang ang pera niyan. Netflix, yan po yung binabayaran ng tao dyan. 232 million members. Sam's Club, 47 million members. Costco, 123 million members. $120 per year. Yung Disney Plus naman, ayan, okay, na-enjoy yung mga benefits na pagpanonood ng mga movies, di ba? Ayan, kumbaga, again, in short, yung tao, palabas lang ng palabas yung pera dyan. Kumikita lang talaga yung company owners. Okay? Pero yung tao nag-stay. Million yung members kasi they see the value. They see the value na pinabayad nila dyan. Okay? Ang matindi dito, bakit? Okay, we are the club membership that pays. Yung mga company na yan, na sinabi ko, Netflix, Costco, Sam's Club, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, and many more. Hindi po yan sila nagbabayad sa atin. But to tell you, dumadami pa rin members nila. How much more pa ngayon, may company na enjoy may highest quality products, wholesale price. But at the same time, binibigyan ka ng income. Okay? So ano pa yung ibang mga popular na mga subscription-based companies or club membership? Yan, Netflix. Yan, sinabi ko sa inyo. HBO Go, Amazon Prime, Apple TV, Vio, and many more. Ito naman, yung gym. Diba? Nagbabayad din yung mga club members sa gym. Yan. Meron tig 2,750, 3,090, 2,700. Ayan. And anytime, anywhere, basta may branch, pwede magamit ng mga mga club members yung gym. Okay? Basta member sila. Diba? So ganun po 'yun, okay? So ito naman, familiar ba kayo sa mga security plans? Ayan. Kay St. Peter, St. Anne, St. Bernadette, St. Clair, St. Dominic. Ayan. Ito naman, insurance. 'Di ba? So, 'di ba yung syempre may mga tao syempre nagbabayad diyan for syempre pumano na yung yung nagbabayad diyan, 'di ba? So syempre meron silang benefits, 'di ba? Na ino-offer ng mga nito na mga company na to. 'Di ba? So ano po yung point natin, 'di ba? Kasi baka isipin mo na, 'di ba, mayroon pa nababayaran diyan monthly, 'di ba? Baka masayang ang pera ko. 'Di ba? O dito nga, 'di ba? Nagbabayad tayo, okay? Hindi ko sinasabing hindi ito importante. Of course, importante din. Okay? Pero di nga tayo nagreklamo, magkano binabayaran? 'Di ba? Pinakamaliit 825 monthly. 'Di ba? Tapos na-enjoy mo pagka itong St. Peter pagka natsogi na, 'di ba? Itong insurance naman pagka may nangyari, 'di ba? So, ang point natin, 'di ba? Hindi nga tayo nagreklamo diyan. How much more pa ngayon na habang buhay ka pa, wala pa nangyari sa iyo, na-enjoy mo na yung benefits na offer ng company, 'di ba? Okay? So, ganun po 'yun. Okay? So, ngayon, gaano ba kalaki at gaano ka proven ang ganitong business model? Netflix, magkano binabayaran ng tao? 500 plus pesos, di ba? And to tell you, di ba, hindi mo feel na ganun malaki kinikita ng company kasi magkano na binabayaran mo monthly. Pero since sobrang daming members ng company na yan, try to imagine, nearly 8.16 billion US dollar and up to 7.9 billion ang kanilang kinita or revenue nila first quarter in 2022. And annual revenue nila nung last year umabot ng 31.6 billion US dollar. Grabe, no? Ikaw hindi mo feel, nagbabayad ka lang, na-enjoy mo yung mga limited movies, pero grabe, yumayaman ng bongga ang company owner si Netflix. 'Di ba? Effective siya kasi tingnan niyo naman, even pandemic, palaki ng palaki ang sales nila. Okay? Zoom. Itong Zoom, kung hindi kami nakasubscribe, okay? Malamang kanina pa 'to natapos. 'Di ba? Kung to tell you, okay, wala kaming kita syempre sa pagsusubscribe, pero grabe po yung kinita ng company. Grabe kinita ng company owner, umabot ng 4.39 billion. Okay? From 330 million from 2018, ganun kalaki, talagang lumaki talaga. ng grabe, okay? Ng matindi kasi lalo ng pandemic. 'Di ba? Kasi gamit na gamit right now 400 plus tayo dito, 'di ba? And some of you naka-subscribe, 'di ba? Okay? So ganun po 'yon, effective and proven na po talaga siya. Okay? Ayan, ano pa? Amazon Prime o 200 plus million members, 'di ba? And subscription fees alone, kumbaga yung binabayaran ng tao monthly or yearly, umabot ng 25.21 billion US dollar yung kinita ni Amazon. 'Di ba? Ganun kalaki. Wala namang kita diyan yung mga Prime members. 'Di ba? Ang kumikita lang si Jeff Bezos. Okay? Oh. Ano pa itong Costco? 'Di ba? Grabe, 222 billion yung revenue nila. Okay? And enjoy ng mga tao diyan discounted products, 'di ba? Usong-uso to sa US, dito sa atin parang yung counterpart dito is Landers SNR. Pero I think according sa experience ng mga naka-experience na, mas maganda yung Costco. Okay? So sana magkaroon soon dito sa Pinas, no? Ayan. So grabe po kasi yung mga binanggit kong company including this one, nagka-pandemic pa, nagka-gera pa, 'di ba? Nagkaroon ng mataas na inflation. Pero ang tindi, ang sales nila palaki ng palaki ng palaki. Why? Ang people nag-i-stay because of the value they are getting sa mga companies na yan. 'Di ba? Tingnan niyo naman po yung trend from 2011 to 2022. 'Di ba? Ang taas, ang laki ng tinaas ng revenue ng company. Ito pa yung nakita ng company owner natin. Yung mga publicly traded na mga companies, mga 30, 50 years na sa industry, sa direct selling. Okay? Yung sales or revenue nila, kahit mag-search kayo okay, Usana, Nuskin, ayan, ang revenue nila, okay, bumaba up to 20, okay, up double digit yung binaba. Wala itong mga company ito ng mga club members or subscription-based business. Pataas ang pataas. So right now, yun yung naisipan ng company owner. Kaya sabi ko talaga, genius, kinumbine po nila. Alright? So right now, ito ang tanong, okay, kung yan, di ba, nag-stay ngayong tao, okay, at the same time, nandiyan yung benefits, wala namang kita. Pero what if may company na maganya niya sa inyo na same concept, club membership, na may subscription, based business siya, na-enjoy mo yung highest quality health products at the same time wholesale price. Pero this time, bibigyan ka na ng kita. Would you like to see it? Di ba? Gusto mo bang tingnan ito? Okay, gusto mo bang malaman? Ayan, okay. So ngayon, ang tanong, alright, would you like to earn up to $2,000? Highlight natin, or more. Or more per month. Okay, and I'll tell you, without even enrolling a single person. Okay, gusto mo ba yon? Okay, kahit wala kang ni-refer, pwede ka pa rin kumita. Yes, okay. So for those interested in earning with Live Good, stay for the second part of the presentation. Okay? So ngayon, dito na po natin malalaman kung paano mo ma-maximize, paano makikita dito. Alright, so now we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. Yes, very exciting siya kasi first po ito in the industry. Dahil hindi na po kinuha yung commission, yung pinipayot na commission dito sa products. Kaya, very affordable. So, saan kinukuha? Okay, malalaman natin yan ngayon din. Okay? So, ngayon, how to become a Live Good member? Simple lang, register with your sponsors link. So, you pay $9.95 per month. Yes, you heard it right, per month. And makakaroon ka ng discount if paid annually. Alright? So, ngayon, anong nangyari kasi, syempre, dahil club membership ito, subscription-based business, meron tayong babayaran dito. Okay, so you buy products at wholesale price or members price or almost a factory price. Okay, so anong makukuha mo dyan sa 49.95? Okay, so itong 49.95 nga pala, ito po yung startup natin. Alright, so yan po yung babayaran natin as a club member. Mga around, ngayon medyo tumaas na, mga 2.9 or 2.950. Okay, depende. Okay, depende kung saan tayo ni-register. So, anong makukuha nating benefits dito? Including yung 9.95, mga around 570 or 580. Number one is, of course, access to membership club. Lahat ng mga products dito and very soon, mga services ma-access po natin. Okay, anytime, anywhere. And of course, digital marketing products. Lahat ng products natin ay online na. And the best part niyan is e-commerce plus dropshipping ready. Okay, in 200 plus countries, magagamit mo, makukuha mo yung yung in-order mong products. Ayan. And syempre makakapag-payout ka sa nasaan ka mang country ngayon sa ano dyan, sa currency dyan. And not just that, you can also participate in the compensation plan. Okay, so and the best part dito syempre kasi pre-provide ng company natin yung tools na gagamitin natin para makapag-start tayo dito. Okay, so we have what we call websites. Not just 1, 2, not just 3, but 4. Actually, madadagdagan pa yan, okay, in the future. So number 1, we have this retail site. So, okay, naisabi ko sa inyo, e-commerce plus dropshipping, ready na po tayo. And the best part ito kasi provided na, nakapangalan yan sa'yo. And pag mag-order, send mo lang yung link sa mga kakilala at kamag-anak mo and sa mga gusto mong sendan. Pag mag-order sila, andyan na po lahat ng information, yung dosages, paano gamitin, okay, andyan na po lahat. So, yan, mag-order lang sila. Okay, and matatanggap nila yung products. Okay, and we have this Powerline landing page. Dito po tayo papa-member once na gusto natin maging affiliate member na dito. So, nandyan po, pagka in-open nyo yan, bubungad agad dyan sa inyo yung explanation ng ating CEO si Ben. Okay, pag gusto nating mag-reserve ng position, mag-lock in position, so andyan po, fill up lang po tayo ng form. Okay? And we also have this corporate site. So, pwede tayo dito mag-login. So, nandyan po yung about sa company, the mission, yung team, yan. And of course, all about the company po yan dyan. Okay? And we have this additional, ayan, Super Reds landing page. Diba? So, pre-provide na po yun ng company. Okay? So, yung Super Reds na po ito, kumbaga, andyan yung product explanation ng product na Super Reds. And pagka nagustuhan ng client natin or ng ating customer, so punta lang sila sa baba para mag-order. 'Di ba? Imagine mo no sa 49.95 mo tapos 9.95 lang ng subscription monthly. 'Di ba? Ito na nakuha mo ay grabe po kasi bakit ang tindi alam niyo po sobrang mahal po sobrang mahal magkaroon ng website at the same time magkaroon ng maintenance. Kasi may maintenance yan monthly. 'Di ba? So as in, grabe, provided na. Ang gagawin mo na lang is i-work out. Alright? So, ngayon, the compensation plan structure will be powered by a powerful unilevel enforced matrix. So, dalawa na po dito. Wala na po ditong left and right. Okay, and I'll tell you, ngayon pa sabihin ko sa inyo, wala na po ditong back to zero, walang flash out, okay, walang placement na dito, walang favor, okay, kasi system yung maglalagay. Ibig sabihin, walang choice. And at the same time, I'll tell you, wala na po ditong multiple accounts one account policy. Ibig sabihin, isang tao, isang pangalan lang talaga. Alright? So, the best part ito kasi very powerful talaga as in kasi, ayan, dalawa yung natin dito, dalawa yung way of earning the unilevel of force matrix, which I'll be discussing din ngayon. Okay? So, we have these 7 ways to earn. We have this weekly fast start. Ayan, and retail commission, influencer bonuses, diamond bonus pool, and crown diamond bonus pool. So, ito po sila, nasa category po silang unilevel. Nasa kabila naman, matrix commissions. Mapapansin nyo sa gitna, matching kasi hybrid po sila. I mean, hybrid po siya. Kumbaga, kinumbine yung dalawang way of earning. Okay? Yeah, so don't worry, isa-isahin natin yan. Okay? So, we have this weekly fast start. So, weekly fast start bonus up to 10 levels deep. So, from the word weekly, so weekly po natin to natatanggap. Simple lang. Okay? Pag may nag-join sa'yo, pag may sign up or nag-enroll under your link, okay? Automatic in the following week, example this week, okay, in the following week, bibigyan ka ng company ng tumataginting na $25. Amazing, di ba? So, kalahati, as in, ngayon lang ako nakita ng company na may kalahati. Binibigyan ka ng kalahati ng direct. Sa term natin yan, direct referral Kasi iba 10, 12, 13% lang. Dito 50%. Kaya direct lang, pag mo lang kumbaga, i-workout mo lang to, buhay na buhay ka weekly. Diba? So, amazing. And not just that, okay? Ayan, ang maganda nito sa ating weekly fast start, of course, 10 levels deep to. Okay? So, ayan. Okay, so nagkabaliktad, no? So, ngayon, we also have this 2x15 matrix. Ayan. So, 2x15 matrix natin dito, monthly commissions po ito na binibigay. Okay, so yung matrix commissions are $0.25 from each active member that pays their monthly membership of $9.95. So, kumbaga, 'di ba, lahat tayo merong matrix. All right? May matrix tayo and ngayon, pag kami nagsusubscribe under us, whether ni-refer natin or hindi kasi ang mangyayari kasi lahat tayo is ayan, kung makikita nyo, Ayan. Iko-connect po tigda dalawa sa atin. Okay? Kasi since one account lang tayo, system yung magpe-place. Ayan. Okay, magpe-place ng tao. So, kung ikaw ito nasa taas, yung nasa baba mo, dalawa. Okay? 2, 4, 8, 16, there 2. Okay, 2 by 15. Kaya nga, yan, 2 by 15 kasi yung 2, ikaw, multiple of 2 lang. 2, 4, 8, 16. Up to 15th level po yan. Basta, may nalagay under you, whether na-refer mo or hindi, basta nagsusubscribe yan, meron kang $0.25. Alright? So ngayon, paano mag-rank up? Okay, simple lang. Alright? Simple yung pag-rank up natin dito is, ayan po, pag mag-bronze ka dito, is that, meron kang, yan, 50% from first level and 10% sa second level. Okay, so simple lang po yung pag-rank up natin dito. Refer ka lang ng 2 people, bronze ka na. Sa silver naman, ayan, up to 4th level na, yan po yung benefits mo. Simple lang, 20 directs or 10 directs plus team of 20 or di kaya 3 of your directs na nag-bronze or sa line nila may nag-bronze plus team of 20, silver rank ka na. Okay, tapos yung gold naman, up to 6th level. Alright, so yung gold naman is 30 directs plus team of 100. Okay? Directs, ibig sabihin, personal enrolled mo or nag-sign up sa link mo. Or pwede rin 3 of your directs na nag-silver or di kaya sa linya nila may nag-silver plus team of 100. Or ito, okay, team of 100 plus yung apat of your directs is may tigta 30 na team and yung isa naman na direct mo is may 10. Okay, yung tatlo may 30, yung isa may 10. O 100 directs, 100 team, I mean, yan, gold ka na. Ganun lang. So, yung platinum naman, up to 8 level na siya. Okay? And the best part ito, syempre, kasi, ayan, ito, para platinum is 100 directs lang, okay? Plus team of 500. Or kung hindi mo kaya 100 directs, 3 of your team may nag-gold. Okay? Plus team of 500. Or di kaya, 4 of your directs. Yung tatlo may tigo 150 na team. And yung isa naman may 50. Team of 500. Platinum ka na. Alright? And yung diamond naman, up to 10th level. Right? Yung weekly fast start. And, simple lang. Okay? 2 ways lang. Number 1 is, 3 of your directs na nag-platinum plus team of 2-5. Or, okay, 5 of your directs may team of tigpa 500. So, 2-5 lahat, diamond ka na. Okay? Ganun lang. And yung crown diamond naman, so you need at least 5. Minimum of 5. Minimum of 5 legs na may tig 10,000. Or pwede naman 10 may tig 5,000. Okay? Or 20 may tig 225. Ganun lang. Okay? Team of 50,000, crown diamond ka na. Okay? Ganun lang. Okay? So ngayon, okay? So ito pong ating 2x15 matrix naman. Alright? So okay? Ayan. Yung 2x15 matrix, balikan lang natin, no? Ayan. Okay, so nabaliktad pala. So, yan 2x15 yun yung pag may nagsusubscribe under you, meron kang $0.25 each. So, the best part dito kasi level 1 to level 15, pag ka-rank up like bronze, silver, up to 13th level. Gold, platinum, 14th level, and diamond, 15th level. So, 1 to 12. Anong nangyari kasi niyan, ikaw nasa taas, tapos yung nasa nasa baba mo, 2. Di ba ikaw? 2, 4. Tama. Oh. Level 1 mo, 2, level 2, 4. Ikaw 2, 4, 8, 16 hanggang sa level 12, that is 8,190 people. So ngayon, pag i-multiply mo yan by $0.25, that is 2,047.50. So baka magtanong ka, okay, so coach, need ba punuin yan bago ako bayaran, bago ako bigyan ng commission? Okay, ni Live Good. Actually, hindi po. Basta may tao dyan, kahit isa yan, okay, kahit isa yan, kahit 10, kahit 20, 50, 100, 1,000, ayan. So, bibigyan ka po ng commission. Alright? Oh. So, ito po ay full matrix. Ibig sabihin, pag mapuno po yan, yung 8,000. Ang tanong, coach, kailan ba yung mapupuno? Depende po yan. Kasi kung masipag ka at masipag yung nasa team mo rin, possible, syempre, mapupuno agad-agad yan. Pero walang time frame yan. Depende. Pwedeng 1 year, 2 years, or even 5 years. Okay? Pero masabi ko, worth it. Diba? Oh, worth it talaga yan. So ngayon, okay, worth it ba to sa mga matrix waiters? Okay? Yan. Kasi meron tayong mga mga nagtatanong na syempre di na may iwasan na may matrix waiters. Alright? So, ayan. So ngayon, ganito kasi yan. Okay, so ikaw yan yung nasa taas, di ba? Okay, so yung nasa baba mo is dalawa. Alright, and okay, so wait. Ayan, so yung nasa taas mo, okay, may nasa baba mo, I mean, okay, so ikaw yung nasa baba mo is dalawa, apat, walo, di ba? 1632 hanggang sa level 12, 4,096 in total of 8,190 people. Alright? So, ngayon, pag mapuno yan, alright? So, syempre, kikita talaga. Pero kahit hindi yan mapuno, gaya ng sinabi ko sa'yo, babayaran ka. Okay? So, ngayon, yung 1 to 4th level, minimum kikitain mo dyan is $0.50 to $8 per month. Okay? And that is not enough to pay your 9.95 monthly subscription. Okay? Pero ang sabihin ko sa inyo, ituloy mo. Okay? Ituloy mo. Alright? Kasi walang paglalagyan ang system natin kundi yung mga nandyan na. Okay? So, hindi pa yan enough, yes, di ba? Kasi iba naiinip. Alright? So, wag ka mainip kasi waiter ka na nga lang, di ba? Okay? Or kung busy ka, so that's okay. Ayan, so ngayon, pag lumagpas yan ng 5th level, di ba, may 16 ka na, tapos 32. Pag lumagpas yan ng 5th level, minimum kikitain mo na dyan $16, maximum of $2,047.50 per month. Okay? Kaya sinasabi ko sa inyo, wag kang mainip, ituloy-tuloy mo yan. Tuloy-tuloy mo, wag tayong magreklamo, di ba? Kasi, syempre, ngayon pa ba tayo magreklamo na may kikitain tayo? And that is enough na para mag-pay ng 9.95 monthly subscription mo. And I'll tell you, now you are in profit levels. Ibig sabihin, kumikita ka na niyan. Okay, so let's have a sample computation. Sabihin natin 1 year. 1 year na puno itong lahat ng to. 8,190 people sa buong matrix mo to 12 level. Yung ginastos mo ay 6,000 plus pesos. Oh, tapos after nyan, in the following month, dun ka pa kumita ng $2,047.50. Ang tanong, worth it ba? Oh, syempre worth it, tama. O sabihin natin worth 3 years. 3 years, yung ginastos mo 20,000. Oh, may iba nga, 'di ba? 3 years na. Oh, may kasamaan kami 3 years na, 3 years na sa industry, wala pa masyadong kinikita. Oh, 'di ba? Ito ngayon pa ba? Oh, 3 years na puno to, 8,190. 20,000 na gastos mo and dun ka pa. In the following month, dun ka pa kumita ng 2,047.50 or 114,000 plus. Or sabi natin 5 years, guys, 5 years. 5 years lang, guys. May iba nga, tumagal na talaga, sobrang tumagal. Or sa work natin, even sa work natin, no, hindi naman tayo kumita ng 100,000. Diba? Mayroon ako nakausap, no, mga 10, 20 years na, may iba pa nga 30 years. Okay, sa work, walang naipon, di ba? So ngayon pa ba, guys? Di ba tayo may inip? Di ba? Sabi natin worst talaga, worst case scenario, 5 years. Ginastos mo 33,000 plus, 33,620 pesos. Tapos in the following month, dun ka pa kumita ng 100,000. Monthly na po yan, ha? Monthly na yan. Okay? Pero guys, sasabihin ko sa inyo, yung 6,000, 20,000, 33,000, okay? Hindi na po ikaw yung nababayad yan. Sino pa yung nababayad? Ang company na po mismo. Self-paying mechanism na po. Kasi pag umapaw yan ng top to 5th level, hindi, pwedeng dito mo naman po kunin yung pambayad mo eh. Di ba? Hindi naman po hihintayin yan na mapuno lahat bago ka bayaran. Hindi po. Basta may tao dyan, kahit isa yan, kahit 32 yan, 64, babayaran ka na po. Kaya nangyari sa'yo, pensionado. Kaya ito po yung point. Kaya not encourage you to be maging waiter na lang, waitresses. Okay? Mas maganda pa rin na, of course, trabahuin. Okay? Pero, okay, wag mong bitawan, alright? Wag kang mag-isip ng negative kasi may naghihintay talaga sa'yo dito. Okay? So, yun. Okay, so sana, syempre, wag tayo kasi baka pamaya may mga nadi-discourage sa inyo. Okay? So, mas pakinggan nyo yung naandito na. May nagpapaliwanag sa inyo. Okay? So, worth it siya, guys. Kaya wag nyong bitawan. Yung team natin, encourage natin, ituloy talaga. Alright? Kahit mga waitresses lang yan. Okay? So, yan. Ito naman po yung ating exciting na income talaga. Actually, this will beat lahat ng mga natin dito, tinatawag na part ng compensation plan kasi dito po talaga manggagaling yung pinakamalaking income. Alright? So ito po yung mga nagtatrabaho. Kung kanina naman waitresses, ito yung mga nagtatrabaho. Matching bonus. Ito simple lang. Okay? Monthly bonus po ito binibigay and grabe po makaka-excite. Why? Kasi tomorrow, tomorrow's Thursday, so nakakatanggap ulit ng, syempre first Thursday of the week, no? Nakakatanggap ulit, sabay-sabay, weekly and monthly income. Okay? Kaya very exciting, no? Magkano kaya? So, simple lang, 50% from what your directs earn every month from their matrix. Okay? So, paano yan? For example, ito, okay? Ayan, for example, ito, dito si Juan. Kasi may matrix ako, matrix din yung kayo, lahat, di ba, ng mga members, and may matrix din yung mga directs nyo. So, pag may mga subscribers sila na under sa kanila, so, nangyayari is that, syempre, kikita sila, tama. So, pag kumita sila, simple lang, meron kang 50%. For example, si Juan, direct mo, nirefer mo dito, kumita siya ng $1,000 sa matrix niya. Meron kang $500. Si Pedro, kumita ng $500. So, may $250 ka. Okay? Si Maria naman, may $100. May $50 ka. O si Marites, instead na kapitbahay ang ichichismis, yung live good na lang. Kumikita ka, di ba? So, kumita siyang $200, may $100 ka. Ganun lang po siya kasimple. Alright? So, nothing complicated. Kalahati ng kikitain ng direct mo sa matrix, meron ka. Okay? So, ngayon, ito po yung sample. Yung sample natin dito, yung bronze. So, to affiliate, ibig sabihin, pag nag-start ka dito, we advise na, damay mo ng family mo. Kasi ako, nag-start din ako dito, damay talaga eh. Damay family, kasi family first eh, di ba? Para at least, yung effort ko, pati sila, magbe-benefit din. Okay? So, idamay nyo po sila kahit dalawa muna sa family members nyo. Kasi pagka mapuno yung matrix nyo, kikitain mo as bronze rank is 4,095.50. Pag full na po yan. Kailan? Depende again ha, depende. Pwedeng 1, 2, 3, even 5 years. Okay, basta mapupuno yan. Alright? So ngayon, yung 2 family members mo, yung income naman nila sa matrix nila is 4,095. Combined na po yun. Silang dalawa kasi ang rank sila eh. Kaya 4,095. So ngayon, dahil nirefer mo silang dalawa, okay, enroller ka nila. So 2,047.50 yung kikitain mo sa matching. So kayong tatlo, okay, sa matrix and matching nyo, ang kikitain nyo is tumataginting na $10,238. My goodness. Grabe, no? Ang tindi. Di ba? Yan po, total income of bronze, 573,328. Di ba? Per month, guys. That is month after month, after month, after month, after month. Grabe, no? Kahit sabihin natin 5 years, kahit nga 10 years eh. Kasi may iba nga 20, 30 years na, nag-retire na lang, hindi naman kumita ng ganun. Tama? Why not ngayon pa, di ba? Ngayon pa ba? Diba? So, grabe as in, ang tindi. Kaya if I were you, idamay mo na family mo. Kaya kami talaga, iniisa-isa na namin mga family members. Para at least matulungan din in the future. Diba? May kanya-kanyang kita. Okay? So, ito naman, 20 directs. So, 20 directs mo naman is that, yung kikitain ng mga directs mo is 2,450. Pagka sabi natin matrix waiters lang sila, waitresses, or sabi natin busy na lang, no? Okay? Napuno yung matrix nila, kanya-kanya. So may kalahati ka, $1,023.75. Kalahati. So 20 times $1,000 plus that is $20,475 or 1.1 million pesos month after month after month after month after month income. Hindi na po yan bababa, guys. Pag dumadami yung tao, mas lumalaki yung income. Kaya dito, wala na pong traditional kasi ito, hindi na po traditional. Hindi na po na, pag ginawa mo to, hindi mo na mararanasan na bumaba income mo monthly. Ako na po magsasabi sa inyo. Kaya nakaka-excite gawin, nakaka-excite i-share kasi alam mo, marami tayong matutulungan, marami tayong, literal na matutulungan na, hindi yung, di ba, yung sasabihin daw tutulungan, di ba, tapos yung, sa kanila lang, di ba, pinapa-avail ng, malaking package, tapos binayaan na, di ba? So dito hindi, guys, okay? Imaginein mo 49.95 tapos 9.95 monthly. As in, grabe talaga. Sabi nating mas hinataw mo. If I were you, maganda hatawin mo na, no? Hatawin mo na. So ngayon, yung yung 30 direct referrals mo, merong yan, na pinabronze mo sila, okay? So the moment na bronze sila, is kikitain nila is around $6,000, $6,000, alright? Okay, so kung bakit $6,000 kasi syempre may matching sila at may own matrix sila, tama. Okay, kaya ganun, 4,000 plus 2,000 sa direct nila, tigo $1,000 kasi unranked kay 6,000. So may kalahati ka, 3,000 kasi meron tayong generational matching wherein kahit direct nila, basta nag-rank up ka, may income ka pa rin. Alright, so ngayon, 30 times $3,000, that is $90,000. That is 5 million pesos month after month, after month, after month, after month income. Try to imagine guys, kung ganun yung kinikita mo. Diba? I will tell you. Grabe talaga. Kahit pangarap mo as in mabibili mo. Kahit pangarap ng kapitbahay mo, mabibili mo na rin. Ito matindi. Ito hinataw lang to ng simpleng nanay kasi bakit marami naman siyang kakilala eh. Kamag-anak, katropa, di ba? Ka-Facebook, ka-TikTok. O, di ba? O, nirefer lang niya. Talagang ginawa lang. Kasi doable siya eh. Ang baba ng punan, hindi mo kailangang matindi na mindsetan, di ba? Na ganito, di ba? Ipo-push mo, di ba? Kagaya sa amin dati. Kailangan pa i-mindset, di ba? Para mabili lang yung mahal na product. Di ba? Para mabili lang yung mataas na package. Dito, di mo kailangan mindset. Simpleng lang, paliwanag lang. Di ba? No. Pero here's the vision. Ito yung vision natin. Pag leader ka, inisip mo leader ka, okay? If you think of yourself that you are a leader, okay? Ang goal natin, 100 solid direct referral. Solid direct referral. So ngayon, that is $16,383.50 ang earnings ng diamonds. Alright? So ngayon, dahil sabihin natin diamond sila, okay? Kailan ba sila magda-diamond? Depende. Okay? So ngayon, $8,191.75 that meron kang income na ganyan since direct mo sila. So all in all, kikitain mo is $819,175. That is 45 million pesos month after month, after month, after month, after month. Monthly na po yan, guys. Yes, you heard it right. Diba? Malulula ka kasi syempre, dolyar kitaan natin dito eh. Diba? Possible ba? Yes. Possible yan. Sa US nga, di ba? May kumikita ng more than that. Okay, $1 million per month. Di ba? Possible talaga yan, okay? Kaya, ang tindi po, no, as in literal, pag ginawa natin to, kaya I suggest na mag-refer ka. You have to refer talaga. Enroll people, share to people. Di ba? Kasi the moment na marami kang sinisiran, okay, syempre, malaking future mo. Yung mga nagiging abangers lang, 2 to 3 years from now, sobrang layo ng kikitain kaysa dun sa mga nagtatrabaho. Dalawa lang kasi, tatlo yung tao dito. Number 1, kumikita. Okay, yun yung maximum, di ba? Yung mga matrix waiters, kumikita lang. Number 2, mayaman. Siyempre, yun yung sakto lang yung trabaho. Di ba? O, nagdadirect sila, ayan. Pero number 3, yung mga sobrang yaman. Yun yung talagang lahat ginagawa, ginatrabaho, as in, talaga, straight talagang ginagawa yung negosyo. Okay? Ayos ba? Alright, so, ayan, possible ba na makapag-direct ng marami? Yes, of course. Bakit? Tingnan nyo lang po yung leaderboard natin. Alright? Ayan, grabe yung top 10 natin, yung ating very own, si Coach Fernan Santiago. Diba? Shout out. Okay, as in, no? Top 6. Imagine mo yung ating top 1, no? 1,035. Diba? So, very possible, very doable talaga siya. You just have to put the effort. Kailangan mo lang mag-effort, syempre, kasi legit business naman to, hindi naman to investment lang. Pinasukan natin. Diba? So, you have to put the effort. Diba? Masasabi ko sa inyo, lahat ng puyat, pagod, sakripisyo nyo, bayad, sobra-sobra pa. Okay? So, yan, no? Kayo na mag-compute, 1,035 times $25. Magkano kikinita niya? Okay, Coach Fernan, 364 times $25. Wala pa yan yung, yung mga indirect up to 10th level. Wala pa yung monthly niya. Yung diamond and crown, ay grabe. Okay, nakakalula. Alright, so, yan yung matching bonus natin. The best part ito, bakit? Okay? Hindi ka lang kikita sa mga directs mo and even sa mga directs nila. For example, ikaw may nag-rank up, nag-diamond ka, may nag-diamond din sa mga directs ng mga directs. Kikita ka pa rin. Up to 5th generation, as in. Grabe, no? Okay, so don't worry, meron tayong in-depth na explanation of this one, which is pinaliwanag nating CEO. Basta, lang po yan, kumbaga pinakasimpleng paliwanag, pag na-rank up sa team mo sa baba, okay, tapos nag-rank up ka rin, hindi ka lang limited sa mga directs mo, kundi sa mga directs nila. At sa mga directs pa nila, kumbaga indirects, up to 5th generation. Wow! Very amazing. As in, grabe talaga. Kaya, makikita nyo pagka nag-rank up ka, sa isang tao, hindi ka lang kumikita na one time eh. Pwedeng 2 times, pwede 3 times. As in, okay? Amazing, di ba? So, we also have this retail commissions up to 10 levels deep. Okay, 50% bonus of the difference between the member's price and the retail price. So, for example, may tubo yung product natin na $10. So, maghahati lang kayo ng company, $5 sa'yo, $5 sa company. Pag nakakabenta ka sa retail site mo. So, up to 10 levels deep then, okay, and infinite wide. Okay, so kakaririn din natin to in the future, di ba? Point retailing, as in, malaki din income dyan. Okay, tapos influencer bonuses. So, dito naman, pagka-influencer ka, you can earn up to 100%. Di ba? So, ito, hindi naman necessarily na kailangan influencer talaga. Kumbaga, basta ma-hit mo lang yung quota, sample, $50,000, okay, meron kang additional 50%, 100%. Di ba kanina, yung $10, 5 sa'yo, 5 sa company, di ba? So, mangyayari niyan is that, hindi na po 5-5. Ibibigay sa'yo lahat. Okay? Yung $10, ibibigay sa'yo basta ma-hit mo yung quota. Okay? So, ito, hindi po ito mandatory. Okay? Kumbaga, ano lang to, optional. Okay? Depende kung kakaririn mo rin to. Kaya kung influencer ka, nako, mas maganda, ito na i-influence mo. Okay? Makikita pa at nakakatulong pa sa tao. Okay? So, we also have, ayan, Diamond Bonus Pool. Yan, 2% of total sales from all membership and product sales, divided equally among all Diamond, rank affiliates, and is paid with monthly commission. Okay? So, monthly po ito, binabayad. Alright? Okay? So, 2%. Kukurot lang yung company ng 2% sa total sales, buong mundo. Sales ng US, Asia, ng Europe, ng Africa. Ayan. So, lahat po. Okay? Buong mundo, kukurot lang yan, tas hahati-hatiin. Okay? And according sa ating CEO, ayan, to give you idea, ha? Ayan, so, i-advance ko na kayo kasi in-announce kasi nung Friday call eh. Alright? According sa ating CEO, around mga $4,000 yung matatanggap. $4,000 plus matatanggap ng ating mga diamond rank ups. Okay na mag-compute kung magkano. Imagine mo, passive income na po yan. Kasi monthly. Sa iba yearly, dito monthly. Kaya nakaka-excite, no? Ako excited na rin ako. Very soon, in God's will. Okay? So, ma-hit din natin yan. Okay? So, hindi pa nakontento yung company. Nagbigay pa ng Crown Diamond Bonus Pool. Yan yun, 2%. Ngayon, 0.5%. Total sales from all membership and products. So, kumbaga, lahat ng mga sales, okay, sa membership and sa products, right, is i-divide po yan ng Crown Diamond. 0.5%. So, as of now, we have 2 Crown Diamond na mga rank up. One of nasa US and one our very own. Ayan, si Coach Fernando Santiago. Ayan, right? So, to give you idea, okay, yung income po ng Crown Diamond ay according sa ating CEO. Okay, so this is just to, para maano kayo, aware din kayo na syempre, trabahuin talaga kasi doon tayo papunta. Eh, umaabot po ng around, I think, mga 24. Okay, 24,000. Basta 20 plus, ganun. Crown Diamond pa lang po yun. Wala pa yung iba. Okay, grabe, no? As in, grabe. So, doon din tayo papunta, kaya mas maganda, okay, i-work out talaga kasi malayo, okay, malayo yung papupuntahan natin dito. Alright, so as of now, we have, ayan, 660,000 plus members in 8 months. Okay, so grabe po yung momentum ng company ito. And, grabe, itong isang company nga, okay, umabot ng 267,000 in 30 years. Guys, 30 years, 267,000. Sa atin, 660, close to magmi-million na. Okay? Very, very soon. Grabe, no? Oh. So, as in, grabe yung growth ng company. So, right now, nasa 660,000 plus members pa lang po tayo. Subscribers globally. Okay? So, yung tip of the iceberg po, yan po yung yung mga first 5 million subscribers. So, kumbaga, in the long term, okay? Kumbaga, maliit pa lang kasi yung matinong company talaga is million yung members. Okay? Pero in terms of short term, sobrang laki na niyan. Bakit? Walang company na nakagawa ng ganun. 8 months time. Guys, 8 months time, 660,000. 'di ba? And yung projection natin on or before December or early by November, million members na ang meron ng company ito. Okay? And yung pinaka nasa dulo ng iceberg, 20 to 100 million subscribers to 200 million subscribers joining in the years to come. Okay? So ganon yun guys. So ngayon, alam ko most or marami din sa inyo dito, may mga first timers, and yung iba siguro marami nang pinasukan, na scam pa yung iba, even thousands na, iba million na siguro yung nilabas na puhunan, wala pa rin nangyari. Pero guys, have to think of this. Nandito ang opportunity. Baka nagpe-pray ka, yan ang opportunity. Si Lord hindi naman yan bababa eh. 'Di ba? So, subukan mo lang. Trust your gut, okay? 'Di ba? Kasi kakaiba talaga 'to eh. And at the same time, magkano lang din naman. 'Di ba? Hindi mo naman siguro ikakahirap, 'di ba, yung membership na 2,929 or 2,950. 'Di ba? 580 monthly. Guys, gumagastos na tayo ng ganun. Saan napunta? Sa mga hindi naman walang kwentang bagay, 'di ba? Or sabihin natin walang balik sa atin, 'di ba? Ngayon pa ba? Okay? I know mayroon din sa inyo nagdududa or natatakot pa. Aralin nyo. Okay? Aralin nyo. And pag naaral nyo, gawin nyo kagad. Kasi ika nga, time is gold, therefore time is money. Okay? Wag na kayo maghintay na mag-member pa, kamag-anak nyo, kakilala nyo, kaibigan nyo, before ka mag-start. Wag ka na maghintay na may kumikita na dito ng $800 per month. $800,000 per month or $1 million per month. Pag mo na na ganun, di ba? Time is gold. Diba? Sabayan nyo. Kasi sayang eh. Dalaw lang pwede sabihin nyo future. Buti na lang at sayang. Buti na lang nakasabay ako at ngayon kahit paano kumikita ko. Or sayang. Sayang sana kung nakasabay ako nung dati na present sa akin ng mga coach na andon. Yung kinikita nila, sana kinikita ko rin. Anong gusto mo? Diba? Kasi, guys, I'll tell you, this plane of opportunity will surely fly. Lilipad talaga to. Wala kang magagawa. Okay? Nasa sa inyo yung choice. Okay? I'm not saying this para i-convince ka, para i-hype ka or what. I'm just saying this kasi concerned kami, gusto ka namin tulungan. Okay? Kasi right now, we are, kahit pa paano, we are reaping our harvest. And nagsisimula pa lang kami. Okay? Parang train to guys. Alam mo yung train, di ba, MRT? Pagka dumaan, bubukas, tama yung pintuan, sumakay ka man hindi, aandar yan. Di ba? So, itong company to, hindi lang to MRT, this is a bullet train. Okay? Bullet train. Alam mo ba yung Shanghai Maglev? Yun yung, as of today, yung pinakamabilis, according sa research ko, pinakamabilis na train. Okay? Kasi siya magnetic levitation. Sabihin din niya sa traditional na gulong, kumbaga, parang lumulutang na lang siya, less friction, kaya sobrang bilis. Okay? Ganito din to. Sumabay ka man sa hindi aandar to. Aandar to ng sobrang bilis, na magugulat ka na lang. Okay? Grabe na yung mga resulta ng mga tao nandito na. Okay? So, guys, yung decision pa rin is nasa inyo. Okay? If you join, we welcome you. But if you don't want to, we're still friends. Pero sayang din naman. Nandito ka na, nakapakinig ka na. Di ba? Okay, so pagtulungan natin, okay, and I can't wait na maging part ka dito. And of course, ma-enjoy mo rin, na-enjoy namin right now. Okay? So, yun. So, ito yung top 4 na remaining reasons why you should join this company. So, number 1, okay, we just officially launched globally. Ibig sabihin, baby pa yung company. So, magna 9 months pa lang. Yan. Okay, mag-labor na. Diba? So, kumbaga, malaki pa yung chance, siyempre, kukunti pa yung nakakalam, tayo mag-share, tayo magpapalaganap ng good news. And kikita talaga, as in, grabe. Okay, number 2, high quality and very affordable health products. So, sinabi ko na sa inyo kung gaano ka-quality and gaano ka-affordable health products natin. And we also have the marketing system, tools and trainings, lahat ng kailanganin mo, yung websites, yung training, we have the corporate training, corporate product training din, okay? Tapos meron din tayo training sa team, sa buong DMW, okay? And may kanya-kanyang team din, may kanya-kanyang training, of course. Ayan. So provided na ang gagawin mo na lang GPS, get in, plug in, stay in. Okay? and gawin mo yung negosyo, 'di ba? Wag lang tayo maging bangers, okay? Spillover waiter. Be spillover creator. Okay? Ayan, so number 4, a simple but yet very powerful and lucrative pay plan. Okay, so simple lang, hindi mo na kailangang masyadong pag-isipan kasi no-brainer ang ating comp plan. Okay, very powerful. Why? Because syempre, first in the history. All right? And at the same time, lucrative, very generous. Kumbaga bonggang-bongga. Ayan ang pay plan natin. So guys, we invite you in this company and hopefully, yan, maging part ka dito. Okay, so are you A, B, or C? Ayan, I want to become an affiliate member. Ayan, pag B or C, naku, sayang lang. Isasayang ka lang ng oras. So become an A. Okay, para of course, ma-enjoy mo na rin yung benefits na ina-enjoy namin. So get back with the person that invited you and let them know if you're an A, B, or C. So thank you so much sa ating lahat sa pag-tune in and hopefully nagkaroon kayo ng value sa pakikinig sa akin ngayon. So,